So guys, if you're looking to write hyper personalized copies using AI, this is the video which is going to help you a lot. Without wasting any time, let's directly jump in the clear table and I will show you how you can do it in within like 10 minutes. I have taken like 100 contacts in my ICP in my TAM. This is a basic list I have taken from Apollo and uploaded into Clay. Now the first step would be enriching the LinkedIn post using Clay's own default enrichment to get the post. Once you have the post, the second step would be qualifying them to check if the post is older than 90 days or not. I just want to take any post which is less than 90 days old. So this is a basic formula, pretty simple and straightforward. You can just copy this formula and you will get a result like this. I'll only consider any post which is less than 90 days old. It will come yes over it. The output will be yes over here. Post classification. Now, here's something we need to learn. When you enrich the post using Clay enrichment, the post comes in two format. One would be the normal post like this one. This post is a normal. Someone has uploaded by their own. And the activity type, just focus on this activity type. It's post. Now, it could be also, one second. The second format would be activity type shared. Share. So there are two types. One is normal post. One second is uh, shared post. Why this is important? Why do a classification in the third step? Is because sometimes the Claygen doesn't takes all the posts into consideration. That's why we are telling him to bifurcate the shared and normal posts so that we can get all the posts. In the third step, we want to extract all the posts which are posted in 90 days, and we don't want all the posts. So just we are taking 5 posts. So this prompt over here is going to take 5 posts. Now it will also consider which are normal post and shared post, and whichever has the recency or recently posted date would consider that post and bring us 5 posts. Once we have this post, results are over here. Now it's time that we need to check a relevance. So I'm going to take a topic because this is done for one of my client. You want to go after anyone who has posted regarding natural sustainability, carbon emission, natural projects, something like that. So this prompt is going to check if the post matches any post out of this 10 posts, any post is matching our topic. If yes, it's going to bring out the outcome. If no, it's going to show us no. Now I have done this and created a view. So let's directly jump into that view. Perfect. So here you can see we have all the posts which are matching our relevance. So this will help you to be very targeted and have a relevance because you are tying up the topic with their post. So the first post is this one. This is a shared post and this is the complete post. The author is here. Now I have I have written the entire pitch. So we're not writing an intro copy. We are writing the entire pitch. I've given Claygen enough guidance so that they can write the pitch on their own. So using this post, the AI will write the entire pitch. I'm using two AIs. One would be Chat 4.0 and other is Claude. So let me show you the first result for ChatGPT. So this is the first result. I'll show you this one. So let me just clear it out once more. This is the pause and see the post. This is the post written and this is the result. Sorry. I came across a little, it's hard kind of. So if you read the post, it can be tweaked. I have done it as per the requirement, but you can change it a lot in the prompt. But this post, if you read, so this pitch, if you read it carefully, it's tying up the topic with their post, not just in the intro, but in the entire mail and pitching them that what could be difference if they use this product using their post. So this is very human type of pitch. I'm happy with the pitch. Now I'm also going to show you the flawed version. Spanner is really thin. Okay, so here this pitch is also really nice. We haven't written anything. We have just prompted AI to write this pitch, and it is really good against tying the post with the product and offering the product. So I think this is a good pitch. Let me know in the comments if you like this pitch. I'll also show you the follow-up mail. Good, very nice. And this is the third pitch. So this is how you can do it. The idea is that you can edit any part of this as per your choice. Let me show you the prompt I've written for the Claude. Both the prompts are same for Claude as well as ChatGPT. So just pause this and just you can just copy the prompt. So Claude 3 Opus I'm using. The next thing would I would add is some variations for the subject line and variation for the intro copy and test it out which is working good. Then we'll find a winning campaign. Hope this helps. Let me in the comment section if you want something else like this in the table. And if you want to build something like this, just feel free to book a call in the calendar link below. And we'll be creating more videos like this. Cheers.